Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which definition matches the performance view for agents? Option A. Used to monitor real-time contact center metrics. Option B. Used to view real-time metrics, such as status, time in status, calls answered, average talk time, and average ACW. Option C. Used to view real-time and historical metrics, such as service level %, abandon %, customers waiting, and active agents. Option D. Used to view historical data only. Option E. Used to view metrics for completed phone calls and chats, such as the user, remote telephone number, date, time, and duration. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Used to view real-time metrics, such as status, time in status, calls answered, average talk time, and average ACW. Question 2. Which of the following report is used to measure the time an agent spent not responding to alerting interactions and idle? Option A. Agent Metrics Report. Option B. Agent Activity Summary Report. Option C. Agent Login Logout Details Report. Option D. Agent Quality Details Report. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Agent Activity Summary Report. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.